So hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see how to fix Outlook app notification not working, enable alert and sync your mails. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing is guys, check your Outlook notification settings. Make sure the notifications are not set to the none. For this, open your Outlook application. After opening the application, click on your profile icon. Then guys go to the option of setting. In the setting section guys, go to the option of notification. In notification here you see the option of page count, and here is show the so guys it show focused inbox. So first select it to the all if you are not getting the notification. Another thing is guys, allow notification. In the allow notification here we have the three category: all mail, focused mail and favorite mail. So select according to you. Okay. Another thing is guys, you enable notification in your Android setting. So guys, make sure that you enabled your notification in your Android. For this, simply long press on your application. Then guys, go to the app info. In the app info section guys, you simply go to the option of notifications. In the notifications here you see default, silent and lock screen and pop-up. So make the changes according to you. Okay. Then guys, disable your battery optimization. Battery saver can block the notification. So make sure that you turn off your battery optimization. So just right swipe and here is your battery saver. Okay. Then guys, enable your background data. So make sure that you are properly enable your background data in your Outlook application. For enabling, you simply long press on your app again, then app info. In the app info section guys, here you see the option of uh, mobile data and Wi-Fi. So just click here and guys, make sure your background data is on. Okay. So these are the things that you can tell. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.